వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతుక్యా ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. సవై పుంసా పరో ధర్మో యథో భక్తి అధోక్షసి అహైతుకే అప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బెస్ట్. సో ద ఈజియెస్ట్ వే టు ప్లీజ్ కృష్ణ ఈజ్ టు ఆల్వేస్ బీ హ్యాపీ. ఇఫ్ యువర్ హస్బెండ్ ఈజ్ దేర్, he is coming home after work, you are sick face, you are looking unhappy, sitting like this, then husband asks, what is wrong with you? I don't want to talk to you, everything is wrong here, nothing is right, it is not pleasing to Krishna, you know. So our duty is to be happy, our duty is to be happy, because Krishna is the Lord. He does not want to see you unhappy. He wants us to be happy all the time. You are crying to Krishna, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this. This is not a mood of chaste wife. This is not a quality of chaste wife. A chaste wife is happy with her husband, whatever he gives. So I am wanting happiness not by myself, but so that my Lord will be happy to see me happy. This is the consciousness of the devotee. I am not searching for my own happiness. I am wanting to be happy, so Krishna will be happy. You should not show the nectar of instruction. There is one injunction. One should not weep before the deity. If you weep before the deity, that you are crying before husband. This is not right. That is not right. Whatever the husband gives, he should learn to cook with that. If he brings you rupees 5, within 5 rupees, wife should manage. That is an expert wife. But if the wife is not so expert, 500 rupees or 5,000 rupees, even 50,000 is also not sufficient. 5,000 rupees, 5 lakh rupees is not also sufficient. 5 crore rupees is also not sufficient. This is the unchaste wife's program. A chaste wife knows how to satisfy the husband, even with 2 rupees. How? With devotion. Because she is not looking for her own happiness. She is looking how to satisfy her husband. Therefore, she can manage whatever the income the husband brings. But the wife is interested in her own sense gratification. How much the husband doing? She is always arguing more, no happy. 2 ends will never meet. You have to understand, Krishna is very kind. He knows we have forgotten him for a long time before. Actually, we are eternally his wives. We have forgotten this very, very long time. From time immemorial, we have forgotten what it means to be loving servant of Krishna. In that mood, so Krishna is very kind. He says, you can satisfy me. Very simple means. How? Patram pushpam palam toyam yome bhaktya prayachyati tadaham bhakti upahrutam asnami praitatmanah. In this way, Krishna emphasizes Bhakti 2 times. Patram pushpam palam toyam yome bhaktya prayachati bhaktya. Tadaham bhakti, bhakti again. Krishna is not asking much from us. Anybody can offer this. Tulsi leaves in India. In India we have abundant of tulsi leaves wherever you go. Wherever you go, you see, you find. Thanks to Srila Prabhupada movement. So, tulsi leaves you can find. At least water. Krishna very, very reasonable. He is not asking anything. But he is asking your love. So that for your own protection, for your own self. So, he wants to include you in his family. He wants to make you a part of his family. You eliminated. You are saying, these wives you are giving special position. You are giving me worst position. Therefore I am walking away. Krishna is never forgot you. But you have forgotten him long, long ago. Now you are trying to rejoin in his family. Therefore, since rejoining means very difficult, you have forgotten Krishna. Just like a daughter-in-law comes to a house, in the first time the mother-in-law gives her very, very simple services. She is just sit and watch TV. Very simple service she gives. She does not give demanding service. So that the daughter-in-law feel at home. As feels more and more at home, it is expected that she will naturally participate in more responsible services. In the same way, Krishna in the beginning, to make us completely comfortable, he makes no demands. Patram, pushpam, palam, toyam, yome bhaktya prayachati, bhaktya. So it is a very beautiful story. Today I am going to tell you a lot of stories. Very beautiful story. One boy, young man, marriageable age. He was a jalebi fan. No, he loved vadas. With vadas, everywhere he went, he wanted vadas. So his mother very compassionate upon him. She is easy to prepare all vadas and keep all jar. Whenever he went out, also she gave vada box, vada and chutney. He was always eating vada and chutney. When he got married, his job took him to another city. Along him, his wife went there. After 1 year, on the marriage anniversary, came back home to his parents' home just for a visit. And the mother was very eager to know, did your wife prepare a lot of vadas? She did not ask his son. She asked the daughter-in-law, did you preparing a lot of vadas for my son? That is his favorite food. Then the girl replied, I am not yet prepared one vada also. I did not prepare one vada also. Mother-in-law was very angry. She said, why? Daughter-in-law replied, your son said on the day of marriage, I don't like vada at all. He does not like vada at all. So I never prepared at all. I thought, why you are insulting? The mother was more angry now. She asked his son, why told your wife you don't like vadas? So the boy replied that the girl is very tender, she is very younger, and vada is very difficult to make. It has to keep pressing, putting on fire, all these things. Instead of giving her trouble, I thought if I told her I don't like vadas out of her love for me, if I tell I like vadas out of her love for me, she will prepare. I told her in the beginning itself, I don't like vadas. This samasya not at all come. I like rice, dal, sabji. So the mother asked the boy, My hands are not tender. I cooked for you so many years at that time. You don't think. Then the son told, no, 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 you have experienced. You know how to do. This is the new girl. She is not experienced. Therefore, I want to give her some time before she got the heavy services. Instead of preparing vada, I stopped eating. So, same thing. Krishna, we are moving into his family after a long time. We have been away from his family for a long time. Suddenly does not want to give you too much service. I stop this episode here. I will continue in next episode.